Hi everyone, so today I'm just going to do this quick video kind of showcasing 3 of my books that I have completed. I did these ones a while ago and decided that it's time for them to go up on the Etsy shop. So I'm just going to kind of go through them quickly so you can see inside and out, and then there'll be a link to the shop at the bottom. So let's get started with this one. This is one of my photo journals, and it's done using an old book. This is Charlie and the Chocolate Factory, so I thought sweets and anything sweet related was good to go in here. And you can see that most of the pages, I've either added some pages where you can just write or throw pictures in, or put pockets, lots of places for photos. It's actually quite a few envelopes that are decorated inside of here for you to put little trinkets in or tickets or whatever. And it's all like sweets related throughout the whole book. I'm not going to go through page by page because there's a lot of pages in here. Most all of them are decorated in some way or another, or they have some place to write on them. Skip back to the back, and here's another one of the decorated envelopes, and some places, more places for photos, and this is the back cover, which has more places for photos and more pockets. So that's Charlie and the Chocolate Factory, and the cover was decorated again using lots of little sweets, handmade flowers. There's some little stick pins in there and other little goodies, and the metal handle. For the second book, this one, when I did the tutorial on this one and I had a few kits available back in the day, everybody kept asking me to sell this one, and I didn't want to, but I'll explain why I'm selling these books at the end. But here it is. So this is my mason jar recipe book. Each page has the same type setup as what you can see right here, where you have all the recipe cards and then a pocket in the side where you can add more recipe cards. There's also one already in there, but you can put more in there because there's more. Each page is decorated. The paper for this one was an October afternoon line called Farm Fresh, which everybody knows is no longer around, so you can't get this paper anymore. And it really does hurt my heart to see my books go, but it's for a really good cause, so it's time for them to find a good home. And each one of these pages kind of is just decorated the same. You have like little farm details on each one, and you have like a multitude of recipe cards, and it's all each page is chipboard, so it's real sturdy, and then it's on the binders, the ring binder. I really like this book. I have a cabinet that I keep all of my finished books in, and I had to go through and pick 3 books that I could do without, and this is one of them, mainly because people were asking for it. So hopefully somebody will really enjoy it. Here's, I think this is the last page, and then there's the little Farm Fresh girl on the back. So this is book number 2, which will be up on the Etsy page. And then the last book is the big daddy of them all. This is my travel journal, and it has, you know, the handmade trinkets on the side, which I'll have to do with traveling, go, see, do, cameras, and this is also an October afternoon line that is no longer available, and it's called Travel Girl. And the little buckles are just decorative, so if you hated the buckles or you didn't want them on there, they seem cumbersome, they come off easy enough. But the front is this whole book is decorated with either Travel Girl by October Afternoon or ephemera that is travel related, some of which I've gotten from my own travels. Some of it is like some Tim Holt stuff is in here from, you know, he does a lot of travel, is one of his favorite things. And this book, like most of my books, is a lot of pockets and a lot of flaps, because I love hiding things in places and giving you lots of little places to tuck little pieces, little memories. So if you have like little tickets to things, or small photos, or memoirs that you want to keep related to the book that you're putting your stuff in. So in this case, it would probably be a travel one. Um, there's lots of little places to hide things, and it makes it kind of fun when you go back and look through these journals later on and find all the little treasures that you've hidden inside your books. So again, lots of places for photos, lots of places for writing, lots of pockets. One of the reasons why I'm getting rid of these books, and I may do more. I have a school book that is not quite finished yet that I may finish with Graphics 45 paper that I may also put up. But this is to raise money to buy more supplies so that I can finish the books that I'm going to be auctioning off. So I have 2 children's charities right now that I want to give to, and the only thing I really have to give is my art, but they don't need books. What they need is money to do the amazing things that they do. So I'm going to create a few books, mainly as many as I can. I want to try to at least do 2 this year, and then I'm going to auction them off, and I will, keep you guys updated about the books and their progress and where they're going to be auctioned off and how you can, go check them out when they're done. But in order to do that, I need supplies because I want these books to be amazing. I want to have all the best of everything in these books so that whoever wins the auction gets their money's worth and something that they'll really love and treasure for hopefully a very long time. So the purpose of selling these books is to get money to buy all the supplies that I need to make the next 3 books that will be auctioned off. The first of which I've already kind of started, but because I don't have everything I need to finish it, it's kind of just hanging out and waiting. So this one is going to be a haunted house book, and I want it to have all the pages inside. I want it to have all the flips and the flaps and the pockets and the ephemera and all the goodies. And so that's why we're doing this. So go check out the Etsy page. Take a look at the books. Hopefully you find something that you will like. Keep an eye out because I will hopefully be putting up a couple more to help also fund my little project here. And I really appreciate you guys supporting my channel. And thanks a lot. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.